In today's video, we'll try to learn how to make computation of salary of our employees. So come here, get your tally, then go with vouchers. Here you can see vouchers. Then we have to select other voucher by pressing F10. Then we have to select payroll vouchers and ensure. So I come just payroll voucher here. So I'll select this. The payroll is selected. Now we have to put the date. The date is open. Account will be the cash. So I'll select cash, and then we have to put the particulars. So in the particulars will be Kusum Agarwal. So I select Kusum Agarwal because she is my employee, and then we have to put the details of our salary. In our last video, we make the salary details. How to make we learn how to make the salary details. If we press enter, the basic will be calculated, and then salary details I have to put, because in our last video we don't put the basic salary. So I'll just put it here, which is I want to put 10,000. So I'll put this, and then what will be the next one, which is dearness allowance. I want to pay dearness allowance of 2,000. So I'll select this, and next I want to put house rent allowance, which I want to put 1,500. Just I just select the random numbers. You can put or whatever the actual details. So I just put in this. Then convenience, I want to pay 500. So I'll select 500, and then which is gratuity. We can select gratuity. I want to pay gratuity 250. I'll select that. And then next one, employee provident fund. I want to put 150 for employee provident fund. Then this is selected. And then next one, I want to put overtime. Overtime I want to put 50 per hour. So we'll select 50. And then last one is the professional tax. So I'll select professional tax. The tax will be, I think I want to put just a random number of 300. Just putting that, then end of the list, nothing to put. Then the narration, if you want to put it here, put it here. Otherwise just press enter, accept, yes. The autofill window of our payroll accounting will complete and compute the salary. Here you can see I just put the numbers of our salary. It is already computed here. So this is because I don't have any cash balance in our account, so this is showing in red. If you in our original forms, when we have cash balance, so this will be not will be on red. So this is for today. Thank you for watching, and press enter for accept. Yes, I just press enter for accepting. So this is for today. Thank you for watching.